Where's your chicken, River?
I don't know my
chicken. Then let her get on your hand. Lift her up. Hey, that is one cool chicken.
Hello. Anybody here?
What's her name, River?
Peach.
That's Peach? Gosh, this is only 2 weeks and look how big she's gotten.
Look at Peach. I'm distracted. Look at Peach. Oh, cool. Come here. Little jello. Stop that little jello. No poo. I'm looking for poo. I've never seen her pee. I want to see her pee someday. In her poo, she squirts pee. No.
Yes, she does. That's the way chickens work, Sebastian.
Come here.
It's called 2 for 1.
Come here, my little jello.
Oh, where's Peach?
Stop there.
Okay.
Don't. Dude, I'm just petting her. Jeez.
Hi, Peach.
That's what you did. Look what you did. That's what